Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to win matches with Bhaskar. As you can see in my team, the key bowler is Bhaskar here, and then the batsman I choose a left-hander because to counter the leg spinner like James. These left-handers are usually very useful against the leg spinner like James. Uh, First ball I mistimed it. Anyway, it's a 4 runs. Again mistiming. Only 2 runs. Now here comes 6. Another 6. I found it's easier to bat with the left-handed batsman compared to right-handed because most of the batsmen are right-handed. Left-handed batsmen will usually very perform better against the spinners, especially leg spin. Now the key part is bowling. So here what I do, I just choose the right corner and try to bowl with a different speed. First one I bowled first, so it was late for the other batsman. Second one I bowled a slow bowling, and then again the batsman hit early. Third one again I'm doing a fast ball. See, it's late from the opponent. Timing is late. Now I'll do a slow bowling. Yeah, the opponent hit it. This one also late. So just use different type of pace with Bhaskar to confuse the opponent. That's how you will succeed in most of the matches. I win.